We have a video and there is audio. Now our goal is to generate auto caption from that video using CapCut. So let's see how we can easily do this thing. So this is one of my sample video with some audio, and here you are seeing audio file is there. I mean audio is there. Now I'm going to create the auto caption. To do this thing in CapCut, we have to click Captions. I'm going to click Captions and it will bring like this window. From here left side we have couple of menus are there. We have to choose auto captions. I'm going to click here, so the auto caption will be selected. Now we have to choose the language and some other settings, but I'm not going to touch any other things, only I'm going to touch English. And if you prefer other language, you can also do that. Now there is a button generate. We just need to click here and CapCut will start generating the audio very shortly. It will take some time, and once it is done, you will see a text line is there. This is the caption text, caption box, something like that. And here you are seeing that the text is there. So here is the text. And now we can easily change this style or color of this caption based on our own preference. So in this way we can easily generate a caption. In the coming video I will show you how you can customize or change the template of this text.